Congratulations on your network-enabled hood from Siemens. In 3 simple steps, we'll show you how to connect your appliance to the Home Connect app. Download the Home Connect app free of charge from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and install it on your smartphone or tablet. To set up a new account, enter your email address and a password. In the next step, we'll show you how to automatically connect your appliance to your home network. If your Wi-Fi router has a WPS button or Wi-Fi protected setup label, you can establish an automatic connection to the router in just a few steps. Please assure that the hood and the light are switched off. Then press and hold the button B until the number 1 and the Wi-Fi symbol start flashing in the display. Please now confirm the connection to your router by pressing your router's WPS button for a couple of seconds. When your Siemens hood has successfully connected to the network, the number 3 starts flashing in the display. Open the Home Connect app and confirm the message that will automatically appear in order to connect your hood to your Home Connect account. You've successfully connected your hood to your app. Now you can benefit from all the advantages of the Home Connect app. If your router does not support WPS, you can also establish the network connection manually. Please assure that the hood and the light are switched off. Then press and hold the button B until the number 1 and the Wi-Fi symbol start flashing in the display. Select the fan setting 2 in order to start the manual connection. Take your smartphone or tablet and open the general settings. Your hood has now established an additional temporary Wi-Fi network with the network name Home Connect. Now connect your mobile device to this temporary Wi-Fi network. The password is also Home Connect. This connection is needed to transfer the access data for your home network to your appliance. As soon as you're connected to the Home Connect network, you can open the Home Connect app. You will now be prompted to select your home network and to enter your password. When your Siemens hood has successfully connected to the network, the number 3 starts flashing in the display. Open the Home Connect app and confirm the message that will automatically appear in order to connect your hood to your Home Connect account. You've successfully connected your hood to your app. Now you can benefit from all the advantages of the Home Connect app.